This is the Echo Show 5 3rd generation. It's a fantastic device that has tons of functions to make life a lot easier. It's been awesome to use the Echo Show 5 for the past few weeks. I've also used other top competitors as well in the past. There were some interesting things I found out that actually could make this product perfect for some people. Inside the box, you'll find the Echo Show 5 device itself, a power adapter, and a quick start guide. Setup is really simple. Just plug it in and the display will turn on and the Alexa voice assistant will greet you. Download the Alexa app and follow the prompts to connect to Wi-Fi and sign into an Amazon account or create one. The Echo 5 is really easy to use. It can be controlled by voice or by scrolling the touchscreen. With the Alexa built-in, it can be asked anything, from the weather to calendar events, or ask it to do things like set alarms, timers, and reminders. Or use the touchscreen to scroll side to side to advance the display, or go back and scroll down from the top to get a menu of all the control options like settings, do not disturb, notifications, photos, Smart Hub, and lots of others. It's good to start by going to settings and clicking on home content. This shows you all the things that are cycling through the home screen, so edit those to just the ones you want, and add others now or later, like your photos. The top of the device has a mute button, volume control, and a slider for privacy, which turns the camera and mic on or off. The Echo 5 Show has a 5.5-inch display. I found it a perfect size for my nightstand, and it also worked great on the kitchen counter too. It fit right in and was so useful and handy to have there. There are lots of options to personalize the Echo 5 Show too, like various clock faces and setting up photos as the background. Use it to play music from platforms like Amazon Music, Spotify, and Apple Music, or listen to podcasts or audiobooks. The sound quality is really good for its size. Or stream shows and videos. It's versatile to handle any of the media you'd like. One of the things that really ups the convenience factor here is its ability to serve as a smart home hub. The Echo 5 Show can control compatible devices like smart lights, the thermostat, it can lock or unlock doors, and more, all from the touchscreen or via voice commands. Or it can show the view from a compatible front doorbell or other security devices. The Echo Show 5 also makes a fantastic kitchen aid. You can ask Alexa for recipes and see step-by-step video guides right on the screen. It's great for video calling too. Make calls to other Alexa-enabled devices or anyone with the Alexa app on their phone. Use Amazon Photos to turn your home screen into a digital frame. It can be set to see your photos rotate with other home screen content or as a slideshow. It has good privacy features too, which is always important. It has a physical camera shutter and a button on the top to disable the camera and microphone to give an extra layer of security. Plus, you can view and delete your voice recordings anytime through the Alexa app. The Echo Show 5 is an amazingly useful multifunction device. It has a 5.5-inch screen that can be personalized, and it operates with voice control or touchscreen. The device can act as a convenient smart home control hub. It helps organize life with the ability to set reminders, timers, and manage your calendar. Use it to play music, as a cooking aid, or to make video calls. And it comes with privacy controls, and it is suitable for many locations around your home. Well, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time.